Even though you probably do much of your work online these days, including creating and reading documents, the use of printing hasn't exactly gone out of style. In fact, with improved word processing and image editing tools, everyone expects a more professional output from you, whether it's a book report being submitted for a school assignment or an office document at work. Thankfully, technology has also helped improve the printing options available to you, and instead of waiting in line to use the printer at a shop, you can create stylish, professional-looking documents at a fraction of the price, right at your home. The product we have for you today comes from one of the pioneers of printing technology, Canon, and is great for home use because of its affordability, convenience, and versatility.
Here we go.
The PIXMA MG3620 wireless inkjet printer from Canon is an easy-to-use machine that is designed to provide you results that you would have expected from much larger and more expensive printers till very recently. And you can use this all-in-one printer not just for crisp, great-looking printouts, but for photocopying and scanning your documents too. Particular care has been given to make its setup quick and easy. The wireless connection can be set up over a standard Wi-Fi 802.11b/grams or N-compatible network within minutes. Its wireless compatibility extends to not just your laptop or desktop computer, but even to your Apple or Android smartphones and tablets. Using simple apps and tools like AirPrint, Motpria, Google Cloud Print, and Canon Print, your printouts are ready with just one click, no matter where you are in your home. Just because it's meant for home or small office doesn't mean the PIXMA MG3620 is a slow machine. With 9.9 images per minute for black and 5.7 images per minute for color, the printing speed can compete with some heavy-duty gadgets. And you don't just save a lot of time with this printer. The innovative Auto Duplex printing feature can easily print two-sided documents, cutting down your paper usage by 50%. The great design of the MG3620 is not limited to its performance, but to its appearance as well. Very compact at 17.7 by 12 by 6 inches and weighing just 11.9 pounds, it comes in the basic sleek black color or more glamorous white or red options. Despite all its remarkable features, Canon has managed to keep its price really affordable with the target user in mind, which makes it perfect even for college students and small families. Let's see what its existing users have to say about the MG3620. It gets an average of 3.7 stars on 5 from over 1,000 reviewers. As expected, the price, the ease of use, and the sharp images and clear text in the printouts are all wins with the users. That's all we have on the Canon PIXMA MG3620 Color Inkjet printer for you. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at some of our other printers here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.